This next animal does not sweat, so they roll around in mud to keep cool on hot days. If you guessed pig, you are correct. A baby pig is called a piglet. A mother pig can have 8 to 12 piglets at a time. Pigs like to eat corn and roll around in mud. Can you oink like a pig? Pigs give us meat that is called pork. We also get ham, bacon, and sausages from pigs.